Welcome to Brilliant Info Systems. Every second matters in warehouse and manufacturing operations. BrilliantLights helps operators locate the right position, pick the right item, and confirm the right quantity with speed, accuracy, and real-time guidance. Traditional picking methods often result in excessive searching, manual counting, picking errors, and slower order fulfillment. They also reduce operational visibility and increase the risk of incorrect shipments, incomplete production kits, and costly delays. BrilliantLights is an intelligent pick-to-light hardware and software platform developed by Brilliant Info Systems for warehouses, fulfillment centers, kitting stations, and smart assembly lines. Combining RGB visual guidance, digital quantity displays, audible alerts, touchless sensors, manual confirmation when an order or production task is received from the WMS, ERP, MES, or host application, the appropriate BrilliantLights module activates automatically. The required quantity is displayed, guiding the operator to complete the task with confidence. Once confirmed using a button, touchless sensor, barcode, the transaction is updated instantly and the next task begins without interruption. BrilliantLights is available in multiple hardware configurations, ranging from simple indicator modules to advanced 4-digit display units with touchless sensing and external I/O connectivity. This flexibility allows organizations to deploy the right solution for a wide variety of warehouse and manufacturing environments. The platform supports pick-to-light, put-to-wall, assembly guidance, production kitting. BrilliantLights integrates seamlessly with WMS, ERP, MES, barcode systems, RFID, PLCs, conveyors, ASRS, and industrial weighing systems. With BrilliantLights, organizations reduce search time, improve picking accuracy, increase operator productivity, simplify training, and achieve complete traceability across every transaction. Transform your warehouse and factory operations with BrilliantLights from Brilliant Info Systems. Pick faster, pick smarter, pick right. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our BrilliantLight solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.